Hello friends!
Hi!
I'm Yuji.
And I'm Toba.
Today we're going to draw Gudetama.
Gudetama.
So tell me what Gudetama is.
So, Gudetama is mostly an egg, but it's cracked. And also it sometimes shows blood. I mean not blood, but...
Okay, he's a Japanese character and he's an egg. He's a raw egg, yeah? So he's relaxing, he's lazy.
Yeah, and sometimes...
He can't be bothered to do anything.
Yeah, and he
So
sometimes shows his butt.
Okay.
Not
okay.
blood this
Yes,
time.
okay. Are you ready to draw him?
Yeah!
Okay, what do we need? We need black marker
Black marker.
and A4 paper. And then any coloring. Color
Like
pencils, crayons, anything, whatever you have at home. Okay, are you ready? Let's bring it on! Okay, we start from his head. Yeah, let's start from his head. So let's draw a curvy, okay, two curves on the top. Okay, like in the middle. Make sure you have a little bit of space on the side. So
How much little is it about?
or just watch, okay? Just do like two curves. One and two. Okay, start from two curves. Okay. And then yes, okay. I do another little curve connecting to this point. Okay, once that's done, do another curve next to this.
Oh yeah,
Like
that's
that?
his butt.
Yes, that's his butt, your favorite butt. Okay, if you've got the butt, you just have a little legs. Yes, it's just very straight. Legs, two legs. Two legs. I am so lazy.
Mostly you lazy.
Okay, so okay, now you've got there. Basically, you just have to connect these two lines back to this.
It's a little bit weird, doesn't it?
Okay, okay, now we got that. Okay,
And
on the lower curve, you just have another line like that. Do another line, which basically is his left arm.
And
So
you should,
reaching out, and next to his bum,
you draw his other.
it's basically two curves like that. Small curve like that. Another curve to connect them, which is basically his right arm. Okay, got that? Okay, next. His eyes is very simple, relaxing. Basically, it's oval, like this.
It's mostly
It's basically a circle, two circles.
And then draw black on it.
Two circle. Yeah, you can fill it up.
The other one looks a little too big for it.
That's alright. And once you've got that, you just draw another
And then you draw this.
circle, but a little bit flat. Circle. Got that? That's his mouth. And then
Yeah,
we need a little bit of this. So it's a little bit chubby, yeah? Okay.
Draw his like rounded egg.
Okay, you've got that. Okay, that's pretty good.
Put this egg thing.
Okay, exactly. All we need is a little bit of egg that's around him. So what you do is you just imagine it's a cracked egg.
Yes.
Basically, you need to look like this. Curve, 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 and the big curve. Yes. That's it.
Yeah, it was so quick. You can't believe it.
He's like, help me! He's Gudetama. Okay, now we're just gonna have to color it.
Yeah, so we're gonna
And-
speed it off.
Yes, yeah. Oh, that's. Oh, right. Oh, whoa. Oh, his butt. He's very orangey, hey? Wow. He's like, oh, my butt is orange. Help me. Help me out. And he's like, oh, I'm relaxed. I'm just lazy. I don't want to do anything. So he's very much Gudetama. He's like, my butt is orange, Gudetama. Help me, Gudetama. Help. Okay, that's pretty good, hey? Did you have fun?
Yeah, that made me so funny.
Okay, so that was Gudetama, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Okay, so if you like this channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be drawing a lot more cool Japanese characters. So make sure you share and keep watching and subscribe. Come on, Sarah. And see you again. And then let's go. And see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, I'm so lazy. I'm so lazy. Gudetama.